Amazing queen sacrifice. Yan yung ginawa. Black turns to play. Nag-queen d8 po dito eh. Ang idea is to go queen g5 and then capture that pawn on g3 na in-ignore ng white. Nag-rook c3 lang. Why? In case the queen goes to g5, may knight f1 defending g3, at the same time madi-discover the bishop sa queen. But it turns out queen g5 is not the plan. The real plan is this. Knight takes g3, sacrificing the knight. Libre. Of course, kakainin mo yan. King takes g3. And then, eto na. Queen g5 sana, pero na mouse slip napunta sa h4. Napakain yung reyna ng libre, pero it's all part of the plan, guys. In case the king move away, libre yung tore. Of course, if you are white, libre yan, you'll take the queen. Kaso, sinimplihan lang f4. At kung titingnan nyo, black is threatening one move checkmate, bishop f6. Kaya nga po napilitan niya nag-king g5. After king g5, tinirahan lang ng rook f8. Aba, matindi. Bakit? Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, example, mag b4 ka dyan, titirahan ka lang ng h6. Once you take on the pawn, only move, bishop e8, checkmate.